Hi, I'm registered dietitian Sherry Steinbaugh, and today I'm cooking with Michigan beans and telling you how they can be part of a very healthy and affordable plant-forward eating pattern. First of all, just to define a plant-forward eating pattern, it means not giving up meat necessarily, but really emphasizing and celebrating plant foods on your plate, like Michigan beans. So what we're going to make today is a plant-powered black bean and beef blend that you could use in a variety of recipes. It has several very simple ingredients, of course, including black beans, some crushed tomatoes, corn, onion, and mushrooms. And I'm going to show you how to put that together right now really quickly. So let's go over to the stove. What I've done first of all is I've taken a pound of lean ground beef and I've browned that and set that aside. So now what we're going to do is turn on our burner and we're going to add in one medium onion that I have put in the food processor and chopped coarsely. We're also going to add in 8 ounces of white mushrooms. I put those in the food processor as well. And you can see all these plant foods going in here already. So we've got the mushroom and onions together. We're going to cook that for about 3 to 5 minutes until the moisture is out. To save time, I'm just going to put everything together right now for you. We're going to then add in 2 cans of drained and rinsed black beans. These are going to add, of course, a lot of fiber and a lot of great nutrition. And then we're going to put in our lean ground beef. 1 pound of lean ground beef. Let's stir that up. And to this mixture, we're going to add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 11-ounce can of drained corn, and then 1 packet of reduced sodium taco seasoning mix. This is how easy it is to make this plant-powered black bean and beef blend. And I'll tell you, it makes a good 8 cups that you're going to be able to use in a variety of recipes. So what we're going to do is show you how to put together a couple of my favorite recipes right now. So what I've got first of all is we've got a Mexican layered lasagna with our blend. So I've already started this. I've put down 4 corn tortillas, 2 cups of the blend, followed by another 4 corn tortillas, and you get the idea. So we're going to use 16 corn tortillas in total. We're going to simply layer those like this. You're going to use about a total of 6 cups of the blend in this recipe. And then we're going to end with 4 of our tortillas on top. And then we're going to use some low-fat Mexican shredded cheese, and we're just going to put that liberally all over the top of that lasagna. This is going to go into the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes or until that's hot and bubbly, and that will be ready to go. Our next recipe over here is going to be a stuffed pepper, and you're going to take about 2 cups of the blend, and you're going to add about 1 cup of brown rice to that, cooked brown rice. And what you're going to do is simply take some beautiful colored peppers, any color you want. About 1/2 cup of the blend is going to go into each of those peppers. And then we're going to just simply top that with some shredded mozzarella cheese. This recipe makes about 8 pepper halves. I always say about 2 pepper halves per serving, but you can make as many as you want or as few as you want. These peppers are going to go in the oven and they're going to cook about 30 minutes or until the peppers are tender at 350. So you can see this blend is so versatile. I love it. Again, the black beans, the mushroom, the onion, the lean beef, it is so healthy. You can use it in nachos, in burritos, in tacos, whatever you really desire, in a rice bowl. You can find this recipe at michiganbean.com along with a lot of other great bean recipes and inspiration. So enjoy these healthy, affordable meals with this plant-powered black bean and beef blend.